Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question: do vinyl windows really last forever? I think my answer is going to be no, it's not going to last forever.
No! No!
But it's going to last you a very, very long time. The reason I say that is because when a person buys a window and they put it in their house, a lot of times that person will own that house for maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years. Then the next person buys the house and they get that transferred warranty over to them. Now they might stay for, 10, 20, 30 years or whatever. By that time, you think that, 40, 50 years this window has been in the house. It has a warranty for the second person who had bought this house. That warranty will continue to take care of the windows themselves. So if there's balancer issues, if there's glass that has seal failure, as long as you have that window, well, it's going to be warranted. But I think the way that these manufacturers are thinking of this is, well, they'll probably have a couple of homeowners that will have bought and sold this house after 20, 30 years, and then guess what? On the third purchase of that house, after those windows have been installed, well, there's no more warranty at this point. At that point, maybe times have changed, people's styles have changed, new, different, improved style of windows. Maybe there's another vinyl window that's got a different blend in it. Who knows? I'm a believer that these windows will last you 40, 50 years. I believe they could last that long, no problem, especially if you take good care of your stuff. And the warranty is supposed to cover all of that for as long as you own the house. Or if you sold the house, that person for their life. That's a long, long warranty. Thanks for watching this, guys. Hopefully this answers your questions. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.